And like always, there's dogs barking in the back. There's no resolving that. But however, this will be my final unboxing of 2020. I order Hoyas from two of my favorite vendors, Coco Ranch and Studio Jesse James. So I'm gonna do some unboxings from these two companies, and this will probably be the last unboxing of 2020. I don't think I'm gonna order any plants that will arrive before the year 2020. So without further ado, let's just get to the chase and start opening the boxes. So this one here is from Coco Ranch. You guys know she sends her packages with the USPS priority mail shipping boxes. I ordered this plant last week and I got it already on Thursday, so very excited. So let's just go ahead and start seeing. This one is a Hoya Dr. Ebok. I know it's a hybrid. I'm not sure what kind of hybrid it is, but yes. As you can see, I opened it the wrong way so that the packing peanuts are all over, but the pot is like that. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so this is the Hoya, and to end my unboxings, I'm not impressed with this. The picture I thought will look bigger than the actual plant that I received. I'll insert a picture of what I was expecting, and as you can see, it looked way bigger than this. So I'm not happy about this Hoya. However, the Hoya does feel nice and sturdy and thick. Sometimes you get a Hoya that feels all dehydrated and wibbly. This one feels nice and thick and chunky, so I'm happy with that. But I'm just not happy with the size of the Hoya, if that makes any sense. She does send really nice, healthy Hoyas. She sent really good, healthy Hoyas throughout the year. To end the year like this, it's not the best. And of course, dogs always barking in the background. I hope you guys don't mind this. I know some of you guys like it when you guys hear the dogs in the back, but so yeah, I am expecting another Hoya from Studio Jesse James, so probably by the time you see me this video, I'll probably be wearing something else. But so far, Coco Ranch is not ending the year in the best possible way. But alright guys, so same video, same sweater, different day. So I received my package now from Studio Jesse James, and right here, they're known for having the little arrow going up on their packages, meaning that this is how the plant is. Like the plant is like the pot is right here and the plant is over here. This is a really rare Hoya. I have never heard of it, and it was on my wish list the moment I saw it on their page. And then within a second I purchased it. I don't know if that happens to anyone, but it happened to me. And so unfortunately, they did show I think 14 pictures of this Hoya, and they had 3 that were really nice and bulky. However, those sold out really quickly. So I was left off with the remaining, and that's pretty much the Hoya that I got. I guess the best of the remaining is what I purchased here. So this is Hoya Borneo Weimanii. I'm gonna leave a little insert card or a little picture here so you guys can see what Hoya it is and how I'm expecting this plant to arrive. So with my handy dandy knife, let me go ahead and start, tearing up the box and see what I got. I really miss my handy dandy scissors because, I mean, my handy dandy scissors are sharper than this knife for some, and I feel like I'm gonna end up cutting myself eventually with this. Like, wow. So let's go ahead. Oh God, I was about to cut my finger. Okay. Something that I like about Jesse James, and this is why it's my favorite company to order from, Hoyas. They also sell other stuff, not just Hoyas, like planters and cute decorative, accent pieces to your living room, to your room. So they add a heat pack without me telling them to, or they just like do it randomly. I'm not sure if it's already included in the price, like low-key Studio Jesse James, but if it is, it's a really good bargain because the plants are at really good prices for the quality and the rarity of the plant. So you get the invoice in here, and so here is the Hoya. Okay guys, and oh my God, so they also included a little cutting Now I talked to them on Instagram and they had posted Hoya Kanyaku Mariana, and I told them if I could get a little cutting or if I could buy a little cutting, and they said that they were gonna send me one for free, but didn't think they were actually gonna do it because those Hoyas are really expensive, and I didn't want to buy one of them because they're so expensive. What if I buy it and then I kill it? But they were nice enough to send me a little cutting, so let's go ahead and check the little cutting, guys. All right, here it is. It's a very tiny little cutting. Oh my god, guys, this is so nice of them. Studio Jesse James, thank you so much for this little baby cutting, and I'm really thankful that I have one. It just looks so sensitive. So it's just such a nice little Hoya. It kind of reminds me of Hoya Curtisi, but not really. It's so curly and ruffly and like flimsy looking that I really wanted to have one, and now I have a little cutting. I hope that I'm able to root this really quickly and for it to just grow amazing. Let me move the camera here because I do have a little, let me zoom it in over here on the side. So if you guys can see right there, I have a, there's some ice on top, but I have a little propagation box on top that I have with a heat pad on the bottom, and some water trace and leca, and I have some pieces that are rooting in there. So I do have a Hoya Kanyaku Mariana already as a little baby cutting, and I'm so thankful for Studio Jesse James. But let's get to the chase, and it's already been 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and let me share with you guys the Hoya Borneo Wemaniai. So this was kind of like the best that was left up on the batch. And I mean, this Hoya for me is kind of like a guy because it resembles like a soldier because it's so thick and robust. So anyways, oh god, oh, I can already see it, guys, but oh wow, it looks really nice. So these Hoyas are very hard to take care of. They do like a lot of humidity, and they do like a lot of airflow, air circulation. So this is my Hoya. It's, like I said, it was the best of the batch. Here it is, guys, the Hoya. I'll do a close-up also, as usual. I'll do a close-up of this Hoya. But it came out a little bit wrinkly. I'm not sure if the leaves are wrinkly, but are their own. Oh, so it's a thick Hoya. It's thick. One leaf arrived yellow. And I know this could be a little bit divas of a Hoya, so I'm going to put it in my little box right there with my Hoya Kanyaku Mariana. Hopefully they grow back. Really happy. Let me do a close-up. This Hoya is amazing, and sorry my hair's a mess. Whatever. Yeah, I'm really happy to have this Hoya. It's curly, the leaves are flimsy, and it just looks like a nice, you know, robust, chunky, thick, succulent. Like the stem looks very succulent, like very thick and sturdy. It seems to be a slow grower because of the rarity of the leaves and the Hoya type. So I'm very excited to have it. I cannot wait to put this in my propagation box right there, and hopefully it does amazing. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I do have one more order arriving in the mail. I'm not sure. So same sweater, different hair, and this is gonna be the final unboxing literally of this year. I thought I wasn't gonna get the order in time, but I actually did. I got it within 3 days. So this is from Gardino's nursery, and this will be the last unboxing on this video. So this unboxing from Gardino comes in very, it sounds like there's a lot of soil, so I'm a little bit worried. Every time I order from Gardino, I always get a really nice healthy plant. So I wanted to end the video with this order from Gardino in this final unboxing of 2020, and literally all the unboxings from this video are my favorite. I only did not order from Unsolicited Plant Talks, but the box is nice and opened, and we're gonna find out how the plants arrived. Now these two Hoyas, they're two. I got them because of the flower. It looks really nice. The flower looks very nice and full, and I read that it has a very nice strong scent. So that's what I like. I like Hoyas that have a nice flower that produces a nice aroma, because that's something that I'm really attracted to. Not just the foliage, but also the flower. So it's two of them, so let's see. Sand. But I mean, it's plants. What can you expect? And they're not cuttings, which is perfect. So you get the little paper here that tells you, I guess, information and care instructions. And let's go ahead and see. You can see a little plant right here. So let's go ahead and see the first one. So I don't remember the names. I know that one of them is Hoya arnotiana and the other one is Galifloria or something like that. I'll leave the name on the plant while I'm bagging it. So this one. Here is the first one, and here's the name tag. So this one is Hoya arnotiana. There you go. I hope you guys can see. Hoya arnotiana. Wow, very nice Hoya. Super large tendril. Like this tendril is, you can see it's over here. I'll do a close up, but I mean, look at this. It's a giganormous tendril and I'm impressed. Wow. So Hoya arnotiana, and it has leaves on the node. Wow, I'm impressed. Like this Hoya is great. Wow, I am impressed with this Hoya arnotiana. The leaves are thick and chunky, and wow, I'm super happy with this order. I'm really impressed. This is why Gardeno is one of my favorites all year round. And if you guys are into Hoyas, definitely check out Gardenos because they have amazing Hoyas. So look at this. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful Hoya. And the last plant, the last Hoya of 2020 is this one right here. So there's a little leaf poking out. You can see it's a little bit splashy. I don't know if you guys could tell. It is a little bit splashy, so makes me excited. Now, I never heard of this Hoya, and the name of it sounded a little bit weird. Glancifolifolia. I read online and I searched good pictures of it, and I saw huge flowers. I believe this used to be called Hoya, I forgot the name, graveolens. And then it was formerly known that, and then it changed to this Hoya globogonifolia or something like that. Oh my god. I literally cannot believe this. Look at this. What a great way to end 2020 with Gardeno, guys. You cannot go wrong with them. So this one here, I had to get the invoice. So this one here is called Hoya oblongacutifolia. Oblongacutifolia. And it has so much growth. It has thin leaves, but they're nice and thick, and they're thin but they're thick. And I mean, guys, look, I'm impressed. I'm beyond impressed with them. This is, I really, guys, I'm speechless right now. Let me do a close up so you guys can just look at how beautiful the foliage on this plant is, and just like, it's so nice and full. I got a nice chunky piece of Hoya, and the leaves are really nice. They're they're not glossy, as you can see. They're more like a matte green, and it has like a nice deep green, but it also has splashes, which makes me believe that this plant, some of the leaves have splashes and some of them don't. So it makes me believe that this plant, the more light that it gets, the more splashes that it will get. So I'll probably have this plant in my greenhouse for the moment, because all the plants that I get, I put them in my greenhouse. They always do great. But I'm also thinking of maybe keeping it inside and having a little bit of of the grow light hidden on it. Maybe cut a little chunk of it and put it in my under my grow light and have it grow nice splashes, because I'm impressed with this Hoya, guys. I am beyond impressed right now. And this Hoya from Gardino's, these two Hoyas, guys, there's really no way for me to not say that Gardino is amazing, and they're a reputable source for you guys to get Hoyas. I'm thinking of maybe for my last Tea Time Tuesday, I'll probably end my Tea Time Tuesday next Tuesday, and I'll probably finish it with my favorite Hoya vendors online. I think I have 5 to mention. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in my favorite Hoya vendors for 2020 and in general. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any of you guys made it to this part of the video, send me a comment below and let me know what your favorite animal is. Is it a panda? Is it a penguin? Is it a koala? Let me know in the comments below so that I know that you made it all the way through here. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends, and don't forget to, like I always say, drink water and water your plants, but not so much during the winter because you might kill them. So bye bye.